Hello, very good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Khushbu Bansal. I hold BTech and MBA. I have been teaching for the last 5 years at Bansal Tutorial Raya. I have had privilege helping hundreds of students to build strong math skills and boost their confidence. I'm also Yusima Savikal's faculty, which means I use mental math skills to make learning more easier and faster. It it is that is my introduction. Now let's start today topic algebra. Algebra is a fun. Let's unlock the mystery of x. Yes. What is first of all we will know about the algebra terms. What is algebra? Why we need to learn about the algebra? First of all, we learn definition. Algebra is like a puzzle. In daily life situation, we will handle mathematical problem in the form of puzzle. We will solve with the help of variable. What is variable? Variable is a letter x or y. We can take any letter of alphabet which replace the number. For example, you can see balance in figure. X plus 3 equal to 7, which means what will the value of x? If we add 3, you know the answer of 7, which means both is equal, both side is equal. If we need to find, you can find. Can you find the value of x? Can you find? Yes. You to find the value of x, you need to subtract, because you know value of x plus 3. So you need to subtract from both sides to make it balance. So your answer will be x is equal to 4. You can see. Is it clear? Now let's move to the next slide to make it more easier. You see both sides are equal, 4 4, both are balanced. Is it clear for you? Is it clear? If we subtract anything, suppose 3 banana you have subtract from this side, so to make it balance you must subtract this side also. We do this side. What must we do? We need to subtract both same quantity to make it balance. Is it clear for you? You have to subtract same for both sides. Why learn algebra? It's used in coding, solving, games, and construction. Let's start terms. Algebraic terms. Term just like variable, constant, expression, equation. What is variable? As I told you, variable is any letter. You can take any letter, replace of any number. So here we know if we add 2, you will get 5. It means both sides are equal, so you need to balance. This equation is balanced. So if you need to find value of x, you can easily tell me what will the value of x. So this called the, here x is called the variable. Is it clear for you? Next move constant. Constant is a fixed value like 3, 5, 10 in the form of number. That is called constant. Next, expression. Group of terms is called the expression. Means here how many terms are here? Here are 2 terms. If it's separated by operator. This is called term. Okay, the group of term is called the expression. Equation, two sides are equal. Equation means both sides are equal, like x plus 3 equal to 7. That is called the equation. Is it clear? Now let's move on addition operation. Equation. How you will solve this? Now tell me what is the variable? Variable is x. Here. Now let's move operation. How you will find the value of x? Here. Here you can see, here is operation is addition. So you need to subtract both side 4. Okay, like balance as seen in previous slide. So to find it the value of x, you need to subtract both side 4. What will the answer? If we subtract both side 4 to find the value of x, the answer will be 8. Is it clear for you? Now move on next question. M plus 9 equal to 3. What is the variable? Variable is m. If we subtract both side 9, we will get m equal to minus 6. Which sign is greater, which number sign is greater, we will take as an answer. Okay, final answer will be that number. Okay, with that sign. How you will check your answer is right or wrong? So you need to check, you need to put the value of given variable on the same equation. If both sides are equal, LHS or RHS, left or right hand side are equal, so your answer is correct. Same here, variable is j, both side minus 3 is subtracted from both sides, you will get same answer, j equal to we will subtract opposite. If minus 3 is here, so we will add opposite 4 to find the value of j. Here to get the answer g, subtract 4 both sides. You will get g equal to minus 16. Here same process to check the answer. What will be the answer of c? C equal to minus 5. You can check it to put the value both side. Here we will do operation with subtraction. We will solve equation. What is the variable? Variable is pi. What operation is being performed on the variable? Operation is subtraction. So you need to, how you will get value of pi? So you need to cancel out minus 7. You need to add both sides plus 7. So what will be the answer? Minus 6. Is it clear? Which sign is greater, you will take that sign. Check your answer. You need to put value of minus 6 in the given equation. If both sides are equal, your answer is correct, otherwise not. Next, here same. What will the answer of f? F equal to minus 2. Is it clear? Next, n minus 18 equal to 20. You need to check. You will put value of n both sides. Both sides are the answer is equal. Your answer is correct, otherwise wrong. Here same here. You need to check. Put the value of 6 in given equation. if both sides are equal, your answer is correct. Is it clear? Next, same here. To put the value of 12, both sides, your answer. If both sides are equal, your answer is correct. Is it clear for you? Now let's move on multiplication operation. If there is no sign between any variable and constant, so you will assume sign is multiplication. Where sign is multiplication. Is it clear? Which sign is here? Here sign is between 6 and a variable. Between 6 and a variable, sign will be multiplication. So how you will solve this problem? Can you tell me? Yes. You have to solve to take -6 in the denominator. It means 12 divided by -6. You will get the answer of A. Sign will be same. If -6, if both sign, if there is only one sign negative, so answer will be negative. If you have both side negative, you will cancel out. Both negative, you will get positive. Is it clear? Here you can see here equal to -2. To check it answer, you need to put the value of A in given equation. If both sides are equal, your answer is correct. Is it clear? 3 equal to -18. How you will solve? Tell me your answer fast. Yes. Same. We will take 3 in the denominator with 18. Here answer is negative because there is only one negative sign. If we have both sides negative, you will cancel out and you will get positive sign. So now here is only one negative sign, you will get negative answer value. Here same, -4 will be divided by -32 divided by -14. We will take -4 and answer equal to 18. -4, -32 divided by -4. Here is both side negative, so you will cancel out, you will get positive. Okay, same. What will the value of m? Can you tell me? Yes, m equal to -9. To need, if you get both side, we will put -9 in given you get both side are equal, you will get correct answer. Your answer is correct. If both side value are equal, your answer is correct. Same here. Now move on division operation. How you will solve this problem? Can you tell me? Have you any idea to solve it? Have you any idea? Yes. Here variable is b. So we need to find out the value of b. So first of all, we need to either you multiply 2 with both sides, or if you don't want, you have to cross multiply. You will get an answer of b. Here you multiply 2 with both sides. 2 divided by cancel out by 2. Here answer will be -20. Is it clear? Yes. To verify, you need to put same value of b in given equation. Both sides are equal. Your answer is correct. Okay. Now let's move on another problem. Same, -4 here, you will get -36. Same, -5, we will multiply both sides -5. You will get the answer x is equal to 10. You will put value in a given equation, both sides are equal, your answer is correct. Okay. Maths like terms. 3x plus 2x is equal to let's move interactive example. Verse 2 algebra. Think twice a number. You have any problem, like anyone asks you 5 more than twice a number, how you will think? You will suppose we don't know what is number. Do you know? Number may be anything, 5, 4, anything. You will assume number is x, so you will twice 2x, and 5 more than twice, so you will add 5 in that number. It means 5 more than that means add 5, so number will become 2x plus 5. 7 less than a number. It means we assume start with a number x, 7 less than, that means subtract 7. Less means subtract, you need to subtract. So assume you have a number x and you need to subtract x minus 7. Okay. Next, product of 6 and a number. It means you need to assume x as a number and multiply x with 6. No need to take a sign of multiplication. Because between variable and constant, assume sign is multiplication. Is it clear? Your 10 sum of number and 10. Can you translate this? Sum means add. Okay. Number and number or 10 means x plus 10. Tips for student: always isolate x on one side, do the same thing to both sides, use short form LHS RHS method. Practice algebra is like a game. More you play, better you get. Okay. When solving one step equation, always use the inverse operation to undo the operation that done the variable. Always check your answer. Thank you.